Marami sa mga businesses na nahihirapan sila in terms of registering their customer details or profile. And then you may able to generate a barcode. Ang gagawin ng cellphone na ito ay only to scan. You can actually see here yung mga forms na automation, technology. Here in Bitpos, we provide convenience. Hi, by the way, my name is Rose from BitPOS. Sa video na ito, I am going to show you another feature using our Bitpos mobile order taking application using the KYC feature. KYC stands for Know Your Customer. Marami sa mga businesses, kagaya ng mga membership type of businesses like gym or any other businesses na nahihirapan sila in terms of registering their customer details or profile. Paano natin magagawa iyon in a most convenient and efficient way na hindi mahihirapan yung ating POS cashier? I have here my BitPOS MOT kit na naka-mobile setup. I have here my credentials, tap ko lang po yung login, and here in my BitPOS MOT kit, I just tap a specific table, and then tap ko lang po yung customer. Here below, you will see a KYC button, stands for Know Your Customer, and then you may able to generate a barcode. This barcode that you are looking at right now, pwede akong mag-generate ng ilang beses per individual customer so that it can also have a longevity of, let's say, 5 to 10 minutes to give them the process where they can create their accounts. Now, I have another customer cell phone here. This is the phone of the customer. Ang gagawin ng cellphone na ito ay only to scan that QR code na generate ng ating BitPOS MOT. Once they scan it, you can actually see here yung mga forms na you can incorporate your name, your complete address, your email, your phone number, and of course, your age. Lalagay ko lang, I'm 28 years old. Tapos, kung you are male or female. So once you tap that one, tap register, the system will confirmly say here that you registered successfully po. Now, since nakapag-register na tayo, using our BitPOS MOT app, if you're going to tap this one and search my name, Bitpos Rose, automatically po, makikita nyo na yung aking pangalan. So, ganoon kadali gamitin ang ating BitPOS MOT application with the KYC feature. If you want to know more, especially sa mga gym membership na mga businesses, I do also have here my turnstile system with the camera po. Once you register customer, pwede na nilang gamitin ito. Message us in our Facebook page so that we can book you an online demo.